How to fix Chatgpt lagging and slow responses on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get it running smoothly again in just a few steps. First, open your device settings and check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the speed improves. After that, if your connection is fine, open the Chatgpt app and check if the issue is happening across all chats or just a specific one. Sometimes a long conversation thread slows things down, so try starting a new chat. From there, go back to your device settings and tap on Apps. At this point, find and tap on ChatGPT, then tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache. In the next step, reopen the ChatGPT app and test if the responses are faster. Following this, if it's still slow, check if there's an update available. Open the Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and tap Update if one is showing. Once done, also check if ChatGPT is experiencing server issues. If the servers are fine, go back to Apps and Settings, tap on ChatGPT, and tap Force Stop. Then reopen the app and try again. At this stage, you can also free up some device memory by closing background apps. Tap the Recent Apps button and swipe away anything you don't need running now. Finally, if the lagging continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling ChatGPT from the Play Store to get a clean, fresh install. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.